In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Lovable account. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type in Lovable and run the search. This is the quickest way to find the official website if you do not already have the direct link saved. When the results appear, look carefully for the official Lovable listing so you can avoid clicking on unrelated pages or ads. Once you see the correct result, click on Lovable to open the official website. After the home page loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the right platform. This is always a good habit whenever you are signing up for a new online service, especially if you plan to connect an existing account. On the Lovable homepage, look for the Get Started button and click it. This will take you to the account creation or sign-in screen. If you are brand new to the platform, this is the point where you begin setting up access. The Get Started button is usually designed to be easy to spot, so it should stand out clearly on the page. Next, choose Continue with Google if you want the fastest and most convenient sign-up option. This method is useful because it can speed up the registration process and reduce the amount of manual information you need to enter. After clicking it, Google may ask you to choose an account and confirm that you want to continue. Simply follow the prompts on your screen to complete that part securely. If you would rather not use Google, you can select whichever sign-up method you prefer instead. Lovable may offer other login or registration options, so choose the one that works best for you. For example, some people prefer using a different connected account or another available method, depending on their workflow and privacy preferences. Just continue with the on-screen instructions for the option you choose. After that, your account setup should be nearly complete, and you will be ready to start using Lovable. If you run into any issue during sign-up, double-check that you clicked the official website, and make sure any pop-ups or sign-in windows are not being blocked by your browser. That's all it takes to create a Lovable account. Follow these steps carefully, choose the sign-in option that fits you best, and you should be up and running in just a few moments.